Hey everyone, welcome back to the Russian Word of the Day video series for our 83rd and final Word of the Day in the kitchen. Today's Word of the Day actually belongs quite a bit earlier in this series, but for some reason it slipped my mind when I was coming up with a list of words to learn. So we're going to go backwards a little bit and we're going to learn how to say fruit. And it is something of a cognate, so that should make it easier for you to learn.
Фрукт. Фрукт. Фрукт.
Obviously, it's not a true cognate, and there are a few differences, the main one being the trilled R at the beginning, r, frukt, instead of just fruit, like in English. Also, there's an added K towards the end. I'm sure you heard that. Go ahead and practice it a few more times here at the end of the video. We'll see you again tomorrow with our final review lesson for the kitchen. Пока for now.
Фрукт. Фрукт. Фрукт.